Right then, so multiplying and dividing. So in your yellow books, please, copy off the board. So hit pause when you're ready. Write starter down. We've got a few starter questions to get through. Good. Okay, if you've written starter underline, you've got these 22 questions to do for me. Off you go, quick as you can. So hit pause when you're ready. We can have a look at the answers then. You can mark in green pen. Right, get your green pens out and we can go through these answers either one at a time. And when you're ready, we can look at all the answers. And here we go. Got a lot of threes with a division. I hope you got them all right. Okay, let's have a look at some multiplication then. So, a couple of things to remember when we're multiplying numbers. First, the big number must always be written down first. Always write the big number down first. And then the answer is going to be bigger than the bigger number because we're multiplying numbers. Okay? So we've got 213 times 4. You guys know what to do. 4 times 3 is 12. So I put my 2 down here, carry the 1. Still looks like 12. 4 times 1 is 4, plus the 1 there is 5. Make sure we cross the 1 out. And then we do 4 times 2. So we've done 4 times everything. Good. Let's have a look at this example here. This time we've got to do 8 times 5. 8 times everything. 8 times 5 first is 40. So put a 0 there, carry the 4. Still looks like 40. 8 times 3 is 24, plus the 4 is 28. So we put the 8 here and put the 2 down here. And don't forget to cancel the 4 because we used it now. And 8 times 2 is 16, plus the 2 is 18. So we got 1,880. So that's our multiplication. Let's have a look at a couple of division questions. Oops, nearly forgot to cancel the 2. So if I want to divide 6 by 3, who knows what the answer is? 2, good. Well, you can write as divide 6 by 3 or 6 divided by 3, but we're going to use the bus stop here. And when we're going to use the bus stop, we write our 3 times table on the side there so we can count. 3 goes into 6, 1, 2 times, so we write 2 there. 63 divided by 3, anybody know what the answer is? Hopefully you've said, well, we'll see if you're right. So 63 divided by 3, using the bus stop, put the 63 inside the bus stop and then the 3 on the outside. Now we've got our 3 times table already. 3 into 6, 1, 2 times, so you can put a 2 there, and then 3 into 3 is just a 1 time, so 21. 963 divided by 3. 963 divided by 3. In the bus stop, put a 963 inside the bus stop and 3 on the outside. How many times does 3 go into 9? Well, if we don't know, we can count from our tables. 1, 2, 3. 3 times. 3 into 6, we can count. 1, 2, so that's 2 times. And then 3 into 3, it's just a 1 time, so 321. Good. So we put the times table there in case we need it. If we know our times table, then we don't always have to write it, but when the questions get harder, we can write it down. This time I'm going to divide 52 by 4, so put the 52 in the bus stop. Now I'm going to put my 4 times table on the side. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 and so on. First things first, how many times does 4 go into 5? Well, it's going to be between 4 and 8, so it's 1 time, remainder 1, because 5 take away 4 is 1, and then 4 into 12, I can count that 1, 2, 3 times, so my answer is 13. Let's have a look at this one. 60 divided by 5. Anybody know what 60 divided by 5 is? Well, let's see if you're right. So use our bus stop and our 5 times table. We like our 5 times table. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. How many times does 5 go into 6? Well, 6 is between 5 and 10, so it's going to be 1 time. Remainder 1, because 6 take away 5 is 1, and 5 into 10 is 2 times. So hopefully 12 is what you got. Let's have a look at one more. 72 divided by 2. Okay, so in bus stop there, I've got my 2 times table. 2 into 7 is 1, 2, 3 times, because 7 is just here. And 7 take away 6 leaves me with just 1. And then 2 into 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. Okay, good. So that's division. What I want us to do now is to make some notes. So we've got 2 examples for multiplication and 3 examples for division. So copy that into your books, quick as you can, and we'll go on to some exercises, some questions. Okay, so you got exercise 2.3. Off you go. Quite a lot of questions for you. And then we move into dividing. Exercise 2.4. And through to the next page. Okay, good luck, and you should have the worksheets with you.